Hey everyone, and welcome back to a really last-minute Subaru WRX vlog. So something really crazy happened yesterday. Actually, two things really crazy happened yesterday. The first, I hit 30,000 miles on my dash. So my WRX has hit its first real milestone, and like 5 minutes after I hit 30,000 miles, my check engine light went on. This video is really geared to all of you guys out there that own Subaru WRXs and have had experience with check engine lights. I'm looking for information. I can't really find anything. So let me tell you the story and kind of what happened. So I was driving, I was like on the highway, and all of a sudden the check engine light went off. Immediately, I went into safe mode, drive home mode. I think that's what everyone's calling it. I think that's what Subaru calls it. My cruise control indicator light was flashing on the front console dash, and the drive mode selector was flashing as well, and it wasn't letting me change my drive mode. Also, an important note, the check engine was solidly illuminated. It was not blinking, so it wasn't pull over now, pull over immediately. However, it was concerning that I was in safe mode. It definitely told me something was wrong with the car. Now, I was pretty far away from home, so I had to make kind of a long drive. I put 50 miles on it, about 50 miles on it, and I didn't really have any options not to. So I parked the car, I called the dealer, I got it set up, I'm dropping it off today. I'll find out on Monday what's going on. But in the meantime, yesterday, I used my code scanner, something that we should all have, and I found out that it was the P133A. I'll have that right here. It was the P133A code, and with a little bit of research, I found that that has to do with the O2 sensor. It wasn't clear on what exactly was going on with the O2 sensor, whether it was faulty. It was just throwing a code. I called the dealer and explained what was going on and explained which code was getting thrown, and they said to get in as soon as possible. I know most dealers will say this, but I have a really good relationship with this dealer, so I'm hoping that it's genuine. I should be under warranty for actually 10 more days, so I'm not too worried. It should be covered under warranty if anything is wrong, and I'm hazarding towards I'd rather get it in and have them like suspectedly replace something even though it isn't bad and that's just a new part for my car. Let me fast forward to this morning. So I went out to my car, and lo and behold, it's dead. The battery's dead, which is something that has never happened to me in this car. I've got a relatively new battery, so something was definitely draining the battery. I double checked that I hadn't left anything on, the lights, anything that could drain the battery, and I hadn't, so something was definitely up. Now, I'm not sure if it's because the battery died or for some other reason, but after I got the car started, after I, hooked it up and jump-started it, the check engine light was no longer on. I've been driving it for about 20 minutes and it's not going back on. Now I'm hoping that the drain of battery didn't reset the code. It should stay in the code history in the ECU. However, the reason I'm making and publishing this video is to try to crowdsource some information on what's going on. I've gone through and looked up basically everything I can about this code, and I've only found one post on a forum. And the post didn't go anywhere. There was like one comment and it was totally inconclusive. So my question for all of you guys is, have you ever had the P133A code go off? And if so, what did it mean? What needed to be done? Was anything wrong? Was it one of those codes that just goes off every once in a while? And for those of you that have had codes go off on your WRX before and possibly having battery drains, resetting codes, what's your experience? What do you think I should do? Being new to owning a Subaru WRX, I want to get as much information from you guys as possible, because I think over anything else, ownership will give you the most information about your car. So please, if you have any inclination on what could be wrong so that I can help better tell this dealer as they diagnose it tomorrow, or just understand exactly what they're telling me so they're not giving me some load of crap, just in case they would, definitely leave any of that information in the comments below and let me know what you think it could be. I'm also really interested in hearing other check engine light issues and stories that you've had with your WRXs, so leave those in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate the help. Nobody likes a check engine light, and further than that, nobody likes a check engine light where it throws a code that you can't really find any information on. Thanks for watching, guys.